Hello, I'm Dr. Gary Arthur here at Health and Balance since 1987. This is a new look for me, but this is a new season for all of us. We take it very seriously. Your health, your safety, and your healthy immune system is extremely important. So we've changed some things here at Health and Balance. I just wanted to go through a few of those things with you right now. Our providers are going to be wearing masks. We are sanitizing. We're going to take you through what we're doing. We've cut back our hours a little bit too because some people are really concerned about receiving care. The one thing I want to make perfectly clear, and I'm going to just take this down for a second, is that we are essential healthcare providers. We are rendering service for pain relief for our patients. This helps to unencumber the medical providers because we're trying to keep people from having to go get meds and go get drugs. We're trying to keep the medical providers for the really sick people, and there's a lot of them right now. So we're rendering care for pain relief, and also we know that the research shows that if you're adjusted on a regular basis, it increases your immune system response, sometimes up to even 200%. We've already had other video posts that have explained all the research that goes into that. But let us just walk you through some of the things we're doing so that you can at least know that we're taking necessary steps, and that if this is something that you want to continue working on and help to relieve some pain, you'll at least have the assurance that we do take it seriously and we are taking steps for social distancing and sanitization and those kind of things. So come on with me. On the very front of the door, it says that this is a Corona clean zone. It explains our sanitization procedures that we're doing. We are asking patients to please social distance, keep your 6 feet area. We have tape here on the floor, and this is where we're asking patients to stand in their encounter with the front desk and Emily. There's a place to sit over there. There's a place to sit here. There's a place to sit here so that everyone can be 6 feet apart. All of the surfaces we're cleaning down regularly. We're using dioxychlor, which is a strong antiseptic. And then come on down here. We're also asking patients to not cross in the hallways so that we can also keep social distancing as well. And in our office, we're using a sanitizer. This is called hypochlorous acid. And what we're doing is we're using these in vaporizers. So there's a fine mist of hypochlorous acid that's in the air, which helps to kill airborne microbes. And then we're also using this to spray down in between patients. We spray our patients' hands and ask them to wipe those together. And then the providers are even spraying their faces. And after a patient is actually treated, they're done on the table. We basically take the paper off. We spray down the table. Then we wipe it all down. If they sat on a chair, we take the surface. We spray down the surface wherever their skin would have touched or their clothing would have touched. And then we take paper towels and we clean down the tables in between. Again, patients that are in pain, healthcare is considered essential, and we are doing our best to take extra good care of people during this time. And so those are a few of the things that we're doing. We also have supplement protocols we've also showed on previous posts on our social media and our website about taking certain supplement protocols to keep your immune system strong and functioning. We just did a special on sleep last 2 nights ago, and getting your sleep, making sure your body is healthy. So that's what we're doing. Our hours now, we are treating patients on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the therapy suite, social distancing for the tables where people are getting worked on. The decompression tables are about 7 feet apart. And we're also doing some pre-screening as well, that if you have any symptoms associated with coronavirus, that you would let us know, or you would basically be made aware of what those symptoms are. And that's what we're doing. Even our texts that go out say that your appointment is tomorrow, let's say at 3:15, but if you have any symptoms associated with the coronavirus, please call and do not come to your appointment. So that's what we're doing. We just want to let you know, be right up front with you, knowing that you can be assured that we take this very seriously and we're doing our very best. And so now, if I was seeing that next patient, I would have cleaned my hands, cleaned the table, putting the paper back up, and getting ready for my next encounter with the next patient. Stay healthy, my friends. Thanks for tuning in.